Hi everyone, I'm Lily. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet this very beautiful bucket hat. I show your information acrylic yarn. You can use 2 or 3 millimeters hook. I use 3 millimeters hook in this work. Make a slip knot, insert your hook under this yarn, pull up yarn, make chains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains, insert your hook into first chain, pull up yarn and slip a stitch, make 1 chain, go to this ring, stitch first round in this ring, pull up yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together, make 1 single crochet in here, mark first stitch, go to this ring, pull up yarn, 1 single crochet in here. We have 1, 2 single crochet, 3, 4, hide this yarn under a stitch, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 stitches. Go to first stitch in mark stitch in here, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns together and make 1 single crochet in here, mark first stitch, go to same stitch, make 1 more single crochet in here, 2 single crochet, go to next stitch, 1, 2 single crochet, 1, 2 single crochet, 1, 2 single crochet, 1, 2 single crochet, make 2 single crochet in each stitch. In second row we have 24 stitches. Go to last stitch, make 2, 1, 2 single crochet. Now we have 24 stitches in second round. Go to top of first stitch, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns together, 1 single crochet, go to same stitch, make 1 more single crochet in here, Go to next stitch, 1 single crochet. Go to next stitch, 1, 2 single crochet. Go to next stitch, 1. Go to next stitch, 1, 2, and continue like this, 2 1 2 1 2 1 in here, 1 1 2, and continue. 33, go to next stitch, 34, go to last stitch, 35, 36 stitches in here. In this row, make 1 single crochet like this. This is first stitch. Go to next stitch, 1 single crochet, mark first stitch, make 1 single crochet in each stitch, 1 1 1 1 1, and continue. Now we have 36 in this row. Go to first stitch, mark a stitch, make 1 2 here, mark first stitch, one in next stitch, go to next stitch, 1, go to next stitch, 1, go to same stitch, 2, go to next stitch, 1, next stitch, 1, in next stitch, 1 2, and continue like this, 2 1 1 2 1 1 until here. Go to last stitch, make 1 2, go to next stitch. In this row we have 48 stitches. Go to here, make 1 single crochet, go to next stitch, 1 single crochet, mark this stitch, 1 single crochet in each stitch. In this row we have, same as before, row 48 stitches. In here, go to, in this row we have 48 stitches. Go to first stitch, in mark stitch, make 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, mark first stitch. In here, continue like this. Go to next stitch, 1, go to next stitch, 1, go to next stitch, 1, 3 times, 1 2 in here, go to next stitch, 1, in next stitch, 1, in next stitch, 1, go to next stitch, make 1, 2, and continue like this, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1. To last stitch, make 60 stitches in this row. Go to first stitch, one single crochet, go to next stitch, one single crochet, mark first stitch, make one single crochet in each stitch. In here we make 60 single crochet. Go to first stitch, make 1, 2 single crochet, mark first stitch, go to next stitch, 1 single crochet, go to next stitch, 1 single crochet, in next stitch, 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, go to next stitch, make 1, 2 single crochet. Continue like this, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 4 times, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, and continue for this round. In here we have 72 stitches. Go to first stitch, make 1 single crochet, go to next stitch, 1 single crochet, make 1 single crochet in each stitch, mark first stitch and continue. In here we have 72 stitches. Go to first stitch, make 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, mark first stitch, make 1 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Go to next stitch, make 1, 2, and continue like this, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 5 times until here. Go to last stitch, make 1 single crochet. In here we have 84 stitches. Go to first stitch, mark stitch, make 1 single crochet, go to next stitch, make 1 single crochet, make 84 single crochet in this row. In here I made 14 centimeters. This is suitable for small size and for kids. If you want to make larger than this size, continue same as before rows, add 1 more stitch like this, 2 single crochet, 6 single crochet, 2 single crochet, and continue for more rows. In here, continue like this, make 1 single crochet in each stitch for more rows. I make 1 single crochet in each stitch 4 more rows. Go to first stitch, make 1 single crochet. We made 1 single crochet in each stitch and continue like this. 1 single crochet in each stitch. I continue with 84 stitches. I make 20 centimeters in here. In total I have 32 rows. After this rows, make 1 single crochet in last stitch. Start from first stitch. Make 1 single crochet, two single crochet. Mark first stitch, make 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet. Go to next stitch, 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet. Go to next stitch, 1, 2, 1, 2. 2 single crochet in each stitch for this row. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. I made 2 single crochet in each stitch. 1, 2 single crochet in last stitch. Go to first stitch, make 1 single crochet. Mark first stitch, make 1 single crochet in each stitch. 1, 1, 1, and continue. Continue like this for more rows. 1 single crochet in each stitch. I made these rows in here. I made 5 centimeters. You can make larger than this size and continue. In 1, 2, 3 last stitch, continue like this. Pull up yarn, slip a stitch, slip a stitch, slip a stitch.